9 videos, 2 subscribers. I already know what's wrong, and I can prove it. Most YouTube creators spend months optimizing the wrong thing on YouTube. I built a tool that actually reads the YouTube signals. I'm running it on my channel so you can see no edits, just the results. If the framework doesn't work on me, it doesn't work. 55 out of 100. That's not a failing grade. That's an awareness score. YouTube knows the channel exists, but it's not convinced yet. 77 is where the algorithm begins to start investing in us. We're not there yet. Channel pulse is month over month views. Is the channel growing, dying, holding steady? Right now, mine is yellow. This is my 10th video, and I've only had the channel since February 26th. That tells me the algorithm is stable, not accelerated, and I'm not going to see month over month, which I programmed into this tool. This is the one thing to fix first. 2.83% CTR, click-through rate. A healthy range for CTR is 4 to 8. What this means is YouTube is showing our thumbnails to people and they're just scrolling right past. The content's not the problem, the packaging is. Topic consistency. The algorithm builds a model of the audience who watches your channel. If your videos are pulling different audiences, YouTube can't decide who to send to you. It stops testing us. And that's what's happening to me and what I'm demonstrating to you with this tool. So by clicking card 2, I'm seeing where my problems are. Stop editing, start building, stop learning Camtasia, use this 15 minutes. Why your first 10 videos matter the most. The hardest part about starting a channel. My best performing video that aligns to my thumbnail that makes sense to the audience is this one, what actually builds signal on YouTube. So if I scroll down the page, I put all the videos in a table and you can see right here, there it is. And these are the ones I need to work on to correct my channel. That one video is outperforming everything else. Okay, the way I read this is 55, the algorithm is interested in my channel, but it's not investing in it. CTR is my bottleneck. That's not a content problem, that's a thumbnail problem. And then the other thing, topic scatter. YouTube won't amplify what it can't categorize. The fix isn't more videos, it's fixing the signal before adding more volume. Okay, I've got work to do on my channel, as this table is clearly showing us. Topic consistency. I've got to tighten up my titles to make sure they match my topic. CTR. Your CTR should be between 4 and 8. And then watch time, retention. I have to create better videos that keep people on the channel. I built this tool to run on my channel and share with you, but you can run it on your channel as well for free. Once you have access to the tool, you need to upload your YouTube analytics file to the tool. I download mine and the 3 files in the zip file, and inside that zip file, there's one file called table data. So I'm not sure how you're getting your information, but you go choose the file, and I choose my zip file, and then the tool lights up and tells you what you need. I also created you can download your Excel report and you can look at it in an Excel format as well. That helped me out. And I'm gonna drag it onto the screen here. And it'll show you all your information, and it'll give you your video breakdown, and it'll show you what you need to go do. So I hope this was helpful. And please like and subscribe, leave comments. I'll be making the tool better. And I would love to have your input on this. Thanks for watching and joining me.